Hello, this is Jason, and I am at Bếp Ngon Việt, which, let's see if I can show you the sign there. This is the second time I've been here, and I came to get this same dish again, which is Bánh Xèo Bo, which is beef bánh xèo, and it is delicious. And I just wanted to share it with you. So you get this. It's probably one of my favorite Vietnamese dishes. You get this rice paper and peel off a sheet. And some chopstick salad over here. Oh, no thank you.
Sorry bro, no black.
No thank you.
Sorry, hey bro. No black.
I already have. No thank you. I don't need. You get those people. I've probably been asked 20 times if I want to buy a screen protector since I've been here in the past week. Alright. So you put the greens on there. And I got a little pickled stuff and some fish sauce here. Maybe a little cucumber. And I think this is garlic and peppers. A little of that in there. And then this is the Bánh Xèo, which is with the beef in it. It's very crispy. And you roll it up. And then you dip it in the fish sauce. So good. And just all the fresh greens and stuff. Seems like it's a pretty healthy meal. So good. And then you repeat the process. It's very good. And this is like lettuce, and there's some other like fragrant herbs. Like almost has a minty taste to it. Oh my goodness. Squealer. We got a squealer. Great meal. There's nothing else like it. And this whole meal is about $3. All the different textures and flavors. Bánh Xèo. Bánh Xèo or Bánh Xèo? Bánh Xèo. It's very crunchy. And we've got some crunchy lettuce too. Carrots, cucumber, I think garlic and peppers. And some vegetables that have been soaking in the fish sauce. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Very good. I think just this dish alone might make Vietnamese food surpass Thai food for me. I think Vietnamese food is healthier. It would be more healthy if I didn't drink it with Pepsi. Just all the fresh greens and stuff you always get with the food. It's this whole leaf. Let's load one up. Max it out. Uh-oh. This is going to exceed the capacity that this rice paper can hold. I'm going for it. Crush it. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a monster. So good. I had this yesterday too. I started craving it again today. At the same place. Very, very good. Alright, well, this has been Bếp Ngon Việt. I would recommend this place. I'll put the Google Maps link to it in the description if you want to check it out. And I would recommend the Banh Xèo Bo beef Banh Xèo. $3, can't beat it. Alright, well that's all I got for this video, so thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.